After almost a year of collaboration, OG has decided to part ways with the Selangor Red Giants. You know what time it is? Hands in. You really can't help but wonder. This is an opportunity that a lot of people wanted. A collaboration with one of the most winning teams in MLBB history so far. At dun sa forfeit na nakuha ng SRG, dalawa dun ay kasama ang OG due to that collaboration. So magtataka ka talaga, bakit kaya hindi na nila tinuloy? I was thinking of some things. Number one, usual reason, baka hindi lang talaga nag-renew. If you remembered before, one of the legends ng larong Dota na si Seb ay nagpunta mismo sa MPL Malaysia Playoffs at nagpapasalamat siya sa suporta ng mga fans doon because the reason for their collaboration was that they wanted to be more known in Southeast Asia. Kung hindi pa sila kilala ng iba, because I think it goes without saying that they're one of the biggest esports orgs in the world. Pangalawa, baka ayaw na nila ng collaboration at gusto na nila ng sarili nilang team. It could go either way. OG probably wanted to buy the players of SRG, pero syempre hindi papayag yung SRG because they are also an entity not only in esports but also in football. So they really have the money to keep their players compensated and still maintain a very competitive lineup. And since hindi na sila parehas ng direksyon na gustong tahakin, they just decided to part ways. Or na-realize ng OG na pwede pala tong ML, no? What if bumuo na tayo ng team na atin mismo? And if that's gonna be the case, saang region nila ilalagay yun? But nevertheless, kahit na natapos man yung partnership nila, maraming nakuha dun yung SRG. They got a lot of support over the past year. They were carrying such a prestigious organization's name. Tapos yung iba pa sa kanila nakarating sa Europe to just meet with the Dota players that have probably inspired them to be esports players themselves. Except lang siguro kina Coach Ark Kram tsaka kila Innocent. Filipino passport yung hawak nila. Yung ibang mga Malaysians, they have access to the Shenzhen countries. Sana all, no? Di na kailangan ng visa. But I wonder what's next for OG.